And here we have Tilvera from Miðkoti, the chestnut. She's number 103 in the list. And secondly is horse number 83 in the list, Hugmynd frá Hvítarholti, the first prize mare. The rider with a yellow marking on his arm, riding the bay horse. Is not listed, but it seems to be Kóngurinn frá Syðra Skörðugili, Sæberg Klettur frá Hvammi. He's 6 years old and a 5-gaiter, a good sports horse. And the chestnut, the rider with blue markings, is number 2 in the list. Number 2 in the list. This is the mare Sæla frá Skíðbakka. She's 7 years old. Sired by Sæl frá Bakkakoti, the first prize mare for breeding and sport. Please contact Anna and Frikki. And Siggi Matt is riding Lektor frá Ytra Dalsgerði. He's the son of Gári frá Auðsholtshjáleigu. This is a stallion, really nice gaits. It's the chestnut Siggi Matt is riding, now going on the short end of the track. And here we see the chestnut, the rider with the blue markings is horse number 2 in the list, Sæla frá Skíðbakka. She's signed by Sæl frá Bakkakoti, and please contact Anna and Frikki. She's now going on the long side of the track. After her comes Tilvera frá Miðkoti. Now in walking, the rider with the purple markings. This is horse number 103. Tilvera frá Miðkoti. She's only 5 years old. The price tag is 1.5 million. It's a really promising four-gaiter for breeding and competition. Please contact Miðkoti. And again, the horse Siggi Matt is riding. The chestnut is Lektor frá Ytra Dalsgerði, a first prize stallion, really great competition horse. And on the short side of the track is Skeggi frá Munaðarnesi. He is number 47 in the list. The brown horse now going out on the straight track. Skeggi frá Munaðarnesi, he is number 47 in the list. He's a competition horse in foregate and cut. Has very good leg action and good willingness. Out on the straight track goes now horse number 2 in the list. On the straight track goes now an unlisted horse, Lektor frá Ytra Dalsgerði, and Siggi Matt. And there in a really nice slow canter goes a Tilvera horse in foregate and tuft. Has very good leg action and good willingness. Number 47. mare, chestnut colored, side by side frá Bakkakoti, really good pace there. A first prize mare for breeding and sports. She's number 83 in the list. Number 83, it's a very good competition and breeding mare. Þetta horse kóngurinn frá Syðra Skorðagili, vinsalegast hneigðu þig knappi ef þetta rétt. Sæut by Klettur. And here comes a lector frá Ytra Dalskel. A first prize stallion ridden by Siglimat. Please contact Siglimat for further information. And at last we have the mare Tilvera from Miðkoti, number 103 in the list. A really promising four-gator for...
This is a Breki, eagle from Íroni and mother Solbro from Kirkjubæ. Very promising four-gate horse in competition. And then we see another Samer, red one. Her father is Róður from Röstum, Honor Prestaljon, and Dagrun from Dalandi. And his name is Rjóður from Dalandi. He's very well trained horse and really good competitive horse. And then behind is Ás from Ólafsöfnum. He's 8 years old gelding, very good four-gate horse in junior class and so. They're every riders, very simple and easy going. Then a yellow, black one. This is Númi from Tvistum. His father is Nagli from Þúfu, very good four-gate competiting horse, and 7 years old Vallar. He has been competing horse in four-gate and third and has got 6.72 in third. Very easy to ride and has a strong nerve. Big. Here comes Breki from Stekkjarhóli, and you can contact miðkot.is, and then comes the Rjóður and Númi. Here we see Ás, very good competing horse for everybody. And a mare Kostning from Hlemmiskeið. Her father is Krákur from Blesastæðir and Diljá from Hlemmiskeið. And the mother is Þöll from Mosabæ. Very famous breeding mare on this farm, Blesastæðir. And this is a first prize stallion with total score 8.20 and 6.63 in 4. And there comes a black black horse on behind, and it is Sómi from Hávarðarkoti. Very promising 5-gate stallion. His father is father of 7 first prize offsprings, the mother. It is very promising 5-gate stallion. And then is another one. Black father is Geisli from Sæleikveld, 2 times Landsmóts winner in Aflok, and the mother is Komma from Dalvík. This is a very good competition getting Njöll from Egilsstaðakoti, and she has a total score 7.85 in breeding shows. She's a grey. Her father is Adam from Ásmundarstöðum, and mother Snögg from Egilsstaðakoti. She is very big and handsome mare with high leg action, future competitions, or has a total score of 7.85 in breeding. It's very promising 5-gate mare. A very good pace. Then Sómi, then Höfðingi in gallop, and then come the grey mare after Adam.